So I thought this thing was dead in the water. These buttons just stopped working, and this started giving me like codes F17 through F27 over and over and over again. This is the GE, it is the TP90SOM1SS combination. So I originally took this thing out, couldn't get it to work, took the whole thing out from the wall, set it on a table, spun it around, all that kind of jazz. But there is an easy way to actually get to it. If you just remove these two torque screws, and then you have to get underneath and get a Phillips head here. Or I think these are Torx as well. Can't remember, T8s or something like that. And then underneath here, you've got three kind of hex bolts that you can do. Take this frame off, and then this thing will just come out like this. Now the two boards, I took multimeters to. I didn't even test anything, but it was like this was getting power and this was getting power. And this was working and all that kind of stuff, but I wasn't getting these buttons to work. So I tried a couple of times to, use the eraser type trick. Or, yeah, cats don't belong in ovens. But anyways, so the thing that I did to fix it was the cable for it either needed to be reseated, but I used something called Deoxit, and also a nylon brush, kind of like a toothbrush, and just really cleaned it. And then I also sprayed inside the connector that the actual ribbon sits in, and then I used that to scrub it out. I did a couple of things to it to see what I could, but here's the deal. All these buttons work. If I go to like bake, and I can do 370, so they all work, and I hit start, and you can hear it click, and there you go. It's working. So I didn't think I was ever going to get this thing to work. They don't make parts for it anymore, exactly the stuff that I needed. So if this got ruined for some reason, this is the one part that you can't get unless you got it from a junkyard or something. But I definitely, see if I can feel heat. Yep, I can feel heat, so it's working. So I literally fixed it for free. So I hope this helps.